Hello everybody. Today I wanted to show you how to keep your tape when you get water inside and then it starts moving all funky. Now this tape, I work in the rain all day for the last couple weeks and everything's wet. My gloves are wet, my rain gear is wet, and if you work with this kind of stuff, with this kind of condition, your tape, you always have a problem with the tape. You're always grabbing a rag and just wiping it down, getting all the moisture out of it so it would work, so it would actually go back in all the way. As you could tell, my tape works perfect. Now I'm going to show you why it does that. There's a little hack I like to do to it, and only about once a week. This whole week, today's Friday, so on Monday I started working. It was raining for 4 out of the 5 days, and I've been building this deck over here, and my tape kept getting stuck, so on Monday I sprayed it with WD-40. Here's what I do. You could wipe the tape down or not, but just pull it out as far as you can. Right? So I got 15 feet out of 16. Grab a can of WD-40 and start spraying it as you pull it back in. Spray it inside, spray it on this little clip. Just get the whole thing soaked in it. More is better than less. Now what WD-40 is supposed to do is get rid of the moisture out of whatever you're using, especially the end of the tape needs to be covered real well. So now your tape is soaked in WD-40. You use your glove also to just spread it out and make sure every inch of the tape is covered. Simple thing to do. Get the button, get that WD-40 worked into the button, or this little, I guess you would call it a button. And then you grab just a dry rag and just wipe it down. So pull the tape out and just wipe it all down. It'll get rid of a lot of this rust. You could tell rust on my tape everywhere. And just wipe it down on the way while you're pulling out, and then get as far out as you can. Clean it, and then on the way in do the same thing. Just clean it twice, and I guarantee you, you will not have any, at least in my experience, the water seems, if it does go back into the tape, it doesn't affect the use of the tape at all. It goes in every time, in and out perfectly. Now the tape is going to be kind of slippery for about an hour or two while you're using it, so that's the one inconvenience of it, but that could be due to the gloves also being soaked in WD-40. But after you get it all, you got a perfectly working tape measure, and the WD-40 sticks on the tape or stays on the tape, and yeah, you don't have any problems with the tape closing all the way. It works smooth as new, if not better. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.